The Honor Magic V3 is set to launch in China on July 12th, alongside the Honor Magic Pad 2 and Honor Magic Book Art 14. A hands-on first look has leaked, revealing the device to be very thin and light, measuring 9.9 millimeters when unfolded and weighing between 220 and 229 grams. It will be available in black, green, red, and white color options. Key features of the Honor Magic V3 include powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, likely support for 5G network connectivity, and satellite support in China. Major design upgrade in the rear camera module, including a 50-megapixel sensor and a periscope telephoto camera with 3.5x optical zoom. Third-generation Shingai Lake battery, thinner and lighter than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, with a 5,000 mAh capacity and 66-watt wired fast charging support, ultra-thin USB Type-C port, and a hinge with IPX8 water resistance certification. This exciting release promises significant improvements and features in the foldable phone market.